Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we're gonna make an unboxing video in this ACER Predator HELIOS 300. Wow, that name was tulong yung moment na pangalan pa lang ng laptop, alam mo na agad na pang malakas na siya. Also, this laptop came with a lot of freebies which is inside this bag, and I will show you all of that later. But before we open this laptop, I would like to thank to my parents and to my lola, the one who bought this to me, to my sister, and especially to my cousin and to her boyfriend, Kuya Elton. They guided me to choose this laptop. So, huwag na nating patagalin pa, buksan na natin to.
So, inside this box, there is another box. Tabi muna natin siya. Ayun. Meron pang isang box. Dito nalagay yung charger. Also, ito siya. Pili mo yung envelope. Predator.
So while doing this vlog, I prepared 3 whys or 3 reasons why did I chose this ACER Predator HELIOS 300. So my first why is, why did I chose RTX? Nowadays, rendering softwares were relying on ray tracing and path tracing to achieve realistic lighting and rendering, which is why I chose RTX series laptops that has horsepower to crunch those light rendering and denoising. For those who don't know denoising, it is when you lessen the noise on your plates. Noise are bad because it can downgrade and ruin your plates. V-Ray supports RTX, which is a big plus. So I chose this laptop which runs on RTX 360 with 6GB of VRAM. I know it has only 6GB of VRAM, but it is enough to perform my usual rendering tasks. So my second why is, why Intel and why Intel Core i5? As much as possible, rendering shouldn't be run using your CPU. As I said earlier, rendering software rely on ray tracing and other accelerators such as NVIDIA's CUDA and Tensor cores and AMD's OpenGL for rendering fast and efficient. We chose Core i5 for budget reasons without affecting its performance. So for the specs of ACER Predator HELIOS 300, its monitor is 15.6 inches Full HD with 144Hz, CPU processor Intel Core i5-10300H with 8GB of RAM, but it's much better if it is 16GB for multitasking, hopefully to upgrade it soon, with 256GB of SSD plus 1TB HDD. It's also upgradable. Its GPU is NVIDIA RTX 360 with 6GB of VRAM. And last, why you should have to choose a gaming laptop. I know your impression when you or your parents first heard the term gaming laptop is that it can only be used for gaming, but it's actually not. Gaming laptops are built to withstand heavy tasks such as gaming, which can consume long hours of usage that may cause overheating and battery degradation caused by not unplugging your laptop. Rendering and gaming are very similar to each other. Gaming laptops are well-rounded laptops, that's why you can play games and render your plates. So, tapos na natin i-unbox tong ACER Predator HELIOS, guys. Now, I will show you its freebies. So, madami-dami din siya. And, una, these headphones. And yung pangalawa niya, guys, it's a gaming mouse. It's Predator Centus 310. Yun siya. And I think, maangas din to kasi Predator eh. Alam mo naman, kapag sinabing Predator, maangas. Wow! Gaming mouse. Mahal din to. Compare sa sa akong mouse. Or, makangas din. It's also a gaming mouse. Dalawa na ang aking mouse. Buksan natin siya, guys. Buksan ko. Toothbrush. Wow. Ganun nga, guys. Pang social.
Gumagana naman kaya. Try natin kung gumagana. Ano ba ito? Oh, gumagana!
So, pangilang freebie na to? 1, 2, 3, 3. So, for our fourth freebie is it's Predator bag. Napakaangas ng bag na to.
Nakita ko ito din sa ano. Nakita na ako ng ganito sa ano. Nanood din ako ng mga unboxing dito ng Predator. Ito talaga yung pinakamangas sa freebie. Pangangas yung Predator. Predator. Ganyan. Predator. Kasi bag na Predator. Mouse.
Here ko muna. So, for our last freebie is, guess what? Lenovo Tab 7 Essentials.
Tablet. So, gusto natin. Actually, gusto open na namin ito sa shop. Just to make sure na walang damage yung item. Even it's a freebie, kailangan good. Good pa din siya. And guys, ito pala is
Meron din pala siyang free 5G SIM card. Actually, 5 to. 5 5G SIM card na binigay sa amin. Kasama siya sa freebies. Yung 4, binigay ko sa lola ko. My cousin and her boyfriend. Tsaka dun sa ate ko. So, isa lang natira sa amin. 5G.
buksan na natin yung tablet. Ayun guys.
So, yan guys. Ang daming freebies ng laptop na to. First, itong headphones na magagamit ko dito for online class. Second, this electronic toothbrush from Realme. Third, itong gaming mouse from Predator. Mangas din to. But, hindi ko muna siya gagamitin kasi may isa pa akong gaming mouse. And, fourth, this tablet from Lenovo. Lenovo tablet. And, yung Predator bag. Itong Predator bag. So ayun guys, hindi ko lahat makukuha tong mga freebie nito. Itong headphone, itong electronic toothbrush, this tablet, and this gaming mouse, and yung 5G na SIM card. Hindi ko siya dapat makukuha kung kinuha ko talaga yung dapat na freebie nitong Predator laptop na to, which is the gaming chair, yung Predator gaming chair. So hindi ko siya kinuha, kaya ang binigay sa amin is itong mga items na nasa harap ko. Bakit hindi ko kinuha yung gaming chair? So as you can see naman, meron na po akong gaming chair na ginagamit. Kahit po mas maganda yung Predator na gaming chair. Naging practical pa rin po tayo kasi kapag kinuha ko yun, hindi ko siya magagamit. Ako lang naman gumagamit nun dito sa bahay. And inisip ko na baka matambak lang. So, kinuha ko yung mga magagamit namin like this headphone. So, siguro mga hundreds din to. Itong toothbrush, and this tablet, and this gaming mouse. Itong gaming chair ko kasi guys, bago pa to. Nung araw na binili namin tong Predator laptop na to, is wala pa rin tong gaming chair namin na to. But, naka-order na siya sa online. So, alam ko na kapag kinuha namin to, one of that day na pagkakuha namin ng laptop is darating na tong itong gaming chair. So, binili namin siya ng linggo. And itong gaming chair is dumating ng, I think, Tuesday yun. So, diba, kung kinuha naman namin yung Predator na gaming chair, magdodoble. Eh, hindi naman pwede i-cancel yung gaming chair na in-order ko online kasi unexpected talaga yung pagbili namin nito. Sinabi lang ng lola ko ng Saturday ng hapon na kinabukasan is pupunta kami ng SM North na hindi natuloy na dapat sa SM North talaga, kaya nag-SM Fairview na lang kami na bibili kami ng laptop ng Sunday. And that's it for today's vlog guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo and I hope you learned something on my vlog. Hintayin nyo yung next video ko kasi I'm planning to make a vlog na isa-set up natin tong Predator laptop ko dito sa study table ko. I'm planning to rearrange this area and gagawin ko siya ng vlog. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo for our next vlog. Thank you!